Good morning, guys. Tomorrow, that is on Sunday, my father's friends are going to come to my dad's place and we'll be having a small picnic. And I asked on my Instagram stories that whether you guys would want to watch a vlog, because I can do that because it will be an interesting day full of food, enjoyment, and lots of fun. And I thought that this will be interesting, so that's why I thought that I should vlog. And many of you messaged me, and many of you also said yes to shooting a vlog tomorrow. So today I'm going to my mom's place because we have a lot of things to do, some preparations and everything. So I'll be staying there overnight, and tomorrow is the picnic. It's a small one on our terrace. It will be fun. So I'm starting the vlog today because maybe today we have to do some stuff that I can vlog bits and pieces of it, and tomorrow I'll do the full-fledged vlog. Yeah, I'm really excited because we are having a picnic after a long time, really long time. And the terrace that I showed you in another vlog will be hosting the picnic there. I'll show you the breakfast, the lunch, the snacks that we'll be having, and everything. It will be a very different kind of a vlog, but fun vlog. So stay tuned and watch the whole vlog. So let's go to mom's place. We'll be missing this one. But I don't think he's going to miss me.
Will you be missing me, Pinty? Will you miss me? Will you? Will you? No, you will not.
All of the utensils are coming now. From tomorrow morning, cooking will start. First breakfast, then snacks, then lunch, then tea. So they have kept all the utensils right there. I'm really feeling so excited. And the terrace is so clean. It has been cleaned today, so everything is so clean. Everybody will be sitting here tomorrow, so this is how I look. The chairs are all set and I'm waiting for the guests. See, Baba? বাবা এগুলো তো ইয়ে করতে হবে, লাগাতে হবে।
মাঠে
কি হলো?
ও বাবা
হ্যাঁ?
আমার তো পুলিশ দেখলে একটুখানি মেজাজটা ইয়ে হয়ে যায়।
বুকু 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 রে বুকু বুকু কি হলো কি হলো কি হলো কি হলো কি হলো
আর হাসতে হবে না। মা চলে গেল। ও না আবার আসছে। দেবো না।
না বড় মিষ্টি
ভাবছিলাম